In today's video, you will learn how to change your field and swath selection on a Pro 1200. Make sure your implement is set up correctly with the right measurements. Next, click on the farm icon. Here, you can easily switch to a different farm, choose a field, or even create a new one. Once you've selected your field, you have the option to either pick an existing task or create a new task. If you are creating a new one, go ahead and type your new task name. Now, head back to the map and click on Swath, which is the S icon on the right side of the map. From here, go to Manage and select your stored swath line. The selected A-B line should upload automatically in the map. If you need to change fields manually, simply return to the farm icon and choose another field to continue your tasks. If you have multiple A-B lines under the same field, you can always go back to Swath icon, then manage and select the different swath. That's it. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials just like this one.